Rum? Chocolate? What could be better? Today's holiday treat is Rum Balls. Rum Balls are a blend of chocolate, almond paste, ground up nilla wafers, and pecans, held together by butter and, of course, rum. For today's recipe, you will need 6 ounces of chocolate. You can use baking chocolate or chocolate chips. Just make sure that they are semi-sweet or bittersweet. Half a cup of sour cream, a 1/4 cup of almond paste, 4 cups of finely crushed vanilla wafers. Mr. Christie's nilla wafers or generic nilla wafers work excellently. 1½ cups of icing sugar, 3/4 of a cup of melted butter, 3/4 of a cup of white or dark rum, 1/3 of a cup of cocoa powder. You'll also need some chocolate sprinkles or chocolate shavings for rolling the balls in once they're formed. Lastly, and optionally, 1 cup of finely chopped pecans. I've made batches with and without the pecans, and they were both fantastic. You can use store-bought almond paste for this recipe if you can find it. If you can't find it at the store, you can make your own almond paste easily with a food processor. To make almond paste, start by adding 1½ cups of blanched almonds to a food processor. Pulse them until their consistency is similar to almond meal, kind of like a gritty almond flour. Once they have been processed into a meal, add in several drops of almond extract, then add a teaspoon of honey. Pulse the mixture to combine, then take a taste. If needed, add more almond extract. Finally, continue adding honey until everything forms into a malleable dough. You can roll the almond paste into a log or put it in an airtight container and store it either in the fridge for several weeks or in the freezer for several months. Now we can move on to the rum balls. Melt your chocolate. I like to melt my chocolate in the microwave because it's quick and easy. Then cream together the almond paste with the sour cream. Add the melted chocolate. Make sure this is well creamed and then set it aside. Combine the finely crushed wafers with the icing sugar, cocoa, and optional pecans. Mix well and then add the melted butter and the rum. Mix it together until it holds its shape. Now for the messy bit. Add the chocolate mixture to the wafer mix and knead them together until they're well blended. Then refrigerate the mixture until it firms up and can be easily formed into balls. Once firm, take 1 tablespoon at a time and roll it into a ball. Then roll the ball in the chocolate shavings or sprinkles to coat the outside. Finally, place the prepared ball on a tray lined with parchment or wax paper. Once you have formed all of the balls, place the tray in the fridge overnight or into the freezer for a few hours. This firms up and sets the balls. Since there's no baking or heat required, this is a very simple recipe that anyone can make. Rum balls can be kept in the freezer for many months and they stay just as good as when they're fresh. Assuming that they last that long without being eaten, of course. I hope you'll give this recipe a try and enjoy these rum balls this holiday season. If you want the rum balls to pack a little extra punch, then you can use overproof rum in the recipe instead of regular rum. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button. There's still one holiday recipe I plan to share with you this month, and it involves eggs and rum. So be sure that you ring the notification bell so that you don't miss it. Don't forget to check out my other holiday themed videos if you haven't already, like my ginger snaps recipe for instance. Thank you very much for watching.